Today we're diving into another useful Snapchat feature that can really help you keep your chats organized and private. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of hiding chats on Snapchat. Whether you want to keep your conversations private or just want to declutter your chat feed, this guide will help you do just that. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Snapchat app installed on your smartphone. If you don't already have it, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open the Snapchat app. You'll be greeted by the camera screen, where you usually take your snaps. Now, to get to your chats, look at the bottom of the screen for the chat icon, which looks like a speech bubble. Tap on that icon. This will take you to the chat section where all your conversations are displayed. In the chat feed, you'll see a list of all your recent chats. Scroll through this list to find the friend whose chat you want to hide. Once you locate their name, tap on it to open the conversation. After you're in the chat, you'll want to long press on their name at the top of the chat screen. This will bring up a menu with several options related to that chat. From this menu, look for the option that says Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can customize your chat experience for that specific friend. Tap on that option to proceed. Now you're in the settings menu for that chat. Here, you'll see several options, but what we want is the Clear from Chat Feed option. This is the feature that allows you to hide the chat from your main chat list. Click on that option. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear the chat from your feed. This is important because it helps prevent accidental removals. Confirm your choice by clicking Clear. Once you do this, the chat will disappear from your main chat feed, making it easier to focus on the conversations you prioritize. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.